in terms of like AI is not only there for you because your customers use it in together with your tooling, but also like how did it change the way that you do stuff internally and how you think it will even change more in the future? For examples, right? Empowered IDEs. I don't know if you use any of them. What's your take on that? But also other processes that you kind of automated or just enhanced.
Personal take. I think like having a mid to senior experienced team makes a ton of more sense now because every one of these people scales, like we can scale each ourselves very well via like AI powered tooling. Yes, you have like Cursor or other kind of like IDEs, but also on the kind of like marketing side, whatever you needed like a freelancer for before, you can now basically do yourself, or where you need to onboard something who's more junior, you can kind of like automate more things. So you have just way more leverage on many things. So if you can reduce the number of people, you can like go more senior, then you have less meetings, less alignment, because one person just does so much more, like more horizontally and broadly. So it just changes, I think, how early stage startups probably work, because it's less people, more senior, less an urge to hire lots of like junior talent. But then as you scale, you probably need to change this. A personal view that at least in our space, this works well, because we need to be opinionated about everything we do. Like API, how do the APIs look like? What's like a good process here? What do we learn from customers? What do we ship next? And if we just follow this kind of like product engineering kind of mindset of one person talking to customers, one person designing, one person, the same person, or the same person building and marketing it, and just split the product like vertically, like we reduce meetings, we reduce kind of like context that's lost, we reduce the need to like very strong specs because just one person knows it really well. And then we have like good critique by other people because we don't need to drag like a large team of people that always needs more context and doesn't like move as fast as the top 10% of the organization. So yeah, it's very fun to build right now. I think if you're early stage, and that changes a lot. I mean, I showed you the example of earlier today. I was just like, how do I take a video that's square and get the top 2/3 of it? I know that FFmpeg can do it, but usually it would probably now have taken me, I don't know, 15 minutes. And now with O1, it was like 0 shot in 2 minutes, job done. Probably if I didn't know that FFmpeg exists, I would have needed to take like an After Effects course or something, or hire a freelancer to do this because I have no idea how to do this in QuickTime. So I feel like if you're like semi-technical and use LLMs, it's just so much leverage on everything you do.